When inspecting the tire and the wheel, we're going to start from the outside of the tire and work our way into the middle to make sure we don't miss anything. As it relates to the tire, there are three things you need to look for: the inflation, the condition of the tire, and the tread wear and tread depth. In order to get credit for the tire itself, you need to talk about all three of those things. So starting at the tread from the outside, you look at the tread wear, make sure there's adequate tread. On the front tire, there's no less than 4/32 of an inch, and on the back tire, no less than 2/32 of an inch tread depth. And you need to make sure that the tread is worn evenly. If it's not, there could be an alignment problem. You need to look at the condition of the tread and make sure that there's no recaps on the front tire, and that if there's recaps on the back tire, that there's no tread separation. You come to the actual wall of the tire and make sure that there are no cuts, bulges, or cracks. That's the condition. And then you look for inflation. Make sure it's adequately inflated. Next, you come to the wheel and you make sure that the bead around the rim and the tire is seated evenly. You make sure there are no cracks or illegal welds on the rim itself. All the lug nuts are present and secure, and that there's no running rust or shiny threads, which would indicate looseness. You make sure that all the bolts are present for the hub and that the hub is not leaking. And you also ensure that there is a valve stem and a valve cap and that it is not leaking.